Hi, welcome to Hackages. My name is Davey. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Git, how you use Git to start a project and what is actually inside. In this channel, I'm going to focus on fundamental knowledge. In the era of AI, having this fundamental knowledge is a superpower when building application with LLMs. Yeah, LLMs can do a lot of things for you. They can even do commit things for you and so on and so forth. But when things break, you're going to need to know this fundamental. So I'm going to commit, point intended, to share this knowledge in small bit with you. Okay, so let's start here with Git. So when you start a project with Git, you can basically say Git init, and then you give it a name. Here we're gonna say, for example, day one. Now the command is Git init day one. Now what happened there is going to create in that repo, in that folder, a repo. So a folder here, which is called day one, right? So basically we run that command and then we just give it a name of a folder, a repo, and then it will just create that for us. But at this stage, it's only a folder, right? There is no notion yet of like, okay, Git, local repo, upstream repo and things like that. None of that. Okay. So now let's go and look inside that. So we can see that in day one, we have a .git folder. So what is inside? Let's look at it. So we're going to see that .git. I'm just going to open it this way. So what you see there is inside you have a set of files and folders, right? And we're going to go deep in understanding these things as we move forward. But right now, for this video, it's really important to understand that just by running a Git init, we got that thing. And now inside that folder, we can now go ahead and start adding files. For example, here, and check the status of what is inside, and we're going to see now that there is a tracking system that is in place, and we're going to be adding a file in the tracking system, and I will show you how we move from having a folder to a local repo to upstream repo, and then of course understanding all the commands that are used in between. Yeah, so that's me. That's day one, and yeah, let's just learn fundamental knowledge right here. Okay, that's it.